Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Life Equals Cars, and today's episode is a little bit unfortunate. Last night while I was driving on the highway, I hit a small animal, and it unfortunately kind of destroyed my front bumper. So we're going to take a look at the damage and see what I need to fix. Ouch. Well, so first off we can see I need a new fog light shroud. I'm just gonna get new fog lights while I'm at it, since they're both now have holes in them. This whole part right here is completely missing. So I'm gonna try, I think, to fiberglass across there with some resin and fiberglass cloth and see how that goes. And then down in here, the AC compressor is it's got a nice bow in it, so I gotta see if the AC still works. The radiator is okay. There were no cooling issues. I mean, of course it's not cold, or it's not hot out, so that's a plus, but the fans spin fine, so I didn't bend the radiator, which is good. This is my horn, which is all bent and mangled up there with a broken connection, and I'm trying to figure out what this is or what it went to. I'm pretty sure it hooked right there, but I don't know what it is. So I'm trying to research that and find out what that is. As you can see, my fog light wiring is all messed up. I have the grill here. I just took it, put it in my trunk, but I do have that, so that's a good thing. So needless to say, there's a decent amount of repairs that need to be done. I plan on doing them all myself. If the fiberglass across the bottom portion that's missing does not work, it's going to be a new bumper. Well, I have one other option before I go to a brand new bumper. I'm going to keep that tight lipped because it's kind of cool, so we'll see how that works. But it's unfortunate, but in the spirit of Life Equals Cars, there is positivity in it. I get to learn new things. I get to repair some of my car, learn more about it, and hone some skills, so that's a good thing. Maybe some upgrades will come out of this. We'll see, but there's some positivity that I'm going to take out of it. So I'm trying not to be too bummed, but it does hurt a bit when that happens, so I hope it doesn't happen to any of you. Here we're inside the car. I'm gonna start it up and see if the AC works. Well, we got nice cold air coming through, so that's good. That means the compressor's still working. We still have AC, so that's good. The major components of the car are unharmed, which is a big plus, so it's mainly cosmetic. I still have my, I think it's my high note horn. Yeah, my high note, I believe that is. I still have that, so we still have a horn, so that's good. Yeah, it's unfortunate, but we're going to do some repairs in the future, and we're going to make some videos about it, some how-tos, and you guys are probably going to learn from my huge mistakes, so that should be fun. Thanks for tuning into this short episode of Life Equals Cars. Please remember to like, subscribe, and give a comment if you have any ideas on how to repair this properly and how to do it well. And if you know about fiberglass, please leave a comment, give me some tips. You can follow me on Instagram at Life Equals Cars, and drive safe. don't hit small animals because they will mess your bumper up. As always, please remember to tune in next time to Life Equals Cars.